Hi, my name is Dmitry Khamzin. I'm a professional ballet dancer and choreographer. I've been performing with some of the best ballet companies in Russia and Europe throughout my career and had the privilege to work with the world's top-class ballet masters and choreographers. That incredible experience that has shaped my view on movement and body enhancement was the inspirational driving force for creating the new class that I called Zero Barre. This full-body dance workout is designed to architect the dancer's body, train musicality, and enhance coordination. And it doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner or a professional dancer, you will enjoy the benefits of an easy-to-understand system mixed with the best traditions of classical ballet techniques and modern dance music. And the great thing is that you might guess from the name of that class that you will not need any special equipment to follow along. So, without any further presentations, let's start at Zero Barre.